Pi is the most mystic mathematical constant, the lightest and most important method, the typical shoulder-to-shoulder chemical bond. Pi is the integrity and pragmatism, customer first, is the long-termism, mission guarantee, is the continuously improving, pursuing excellence. Pi is Lingyi iTECH. Lingyi iTECH, the functional component expert, the invisible champion in the field of precision manufacturing. After years of accumulation, Lingyi iTECH has gradually grown into a trustworthy global AI hardware manufacturing platform. Provides one-stop intelligent manufacturing services and solutions for global customers. Firmly holds the leading position in the consumer electronics market and is further penetrating emerging markets such as new energy vehicle, photovoltaic, and energy storage. We created a matrix management mechanism among headquarter, business group, and regions. Established a systematic three-level research and development platform composed of R&D Institute, Engineering Institute, BU, R&D Center, benefiting uniform management whilst individual battling enabled. We are a self-driven learning organization, continuously developing lean-minded talents, and implementing global standardized management that facilitates multi-system interaction and real-time coordination of resources. To build a world-class factory with international vision, integrate culture, lay out the world, lead the industry. We established a global layout for localized multi-center, covering global major markets including China, US, India, Brazil, Turkey, Vietnam, Singapore, France, Korea, Finland, etc. Integrating research and development capabilities with manufacturing expertise to enable prompt response to market and customer demands and actualize global delivery of products. We integrate the needs of different industrial forms to achieve comprehensive processing and manufacturing. We realized vertical integration for the assembling of raw materials, precise functional parts, structural parts, modules, and charges. Empowering product innovation and technological development with strong research and development capabilities. Achieved the successful transition from OEM to JDM and ODM. We strive for excellence in processes, technologies, and efficiency. Our product quality is authenticated as gold standard by leading clients of industry. We advance business vertically and horizontally. In the fields of AI terminals and communication, new energy vehicle, photovoltaic, energy storage, we continuously widen the product category as well as the market share, gain recognition from top global brands, and establish long-term stable cooperative relationships. Pi not only possess the present, but also embrace the future and infinite possibilities. We are deeply rooted in the core business and focus on our advantages over the consumer electronics. We diversify our business and investing in new track such as new energy vehicles, photovoltaic, energy storage, and AI. We persist in customers' growth while undertaking social responsibility proactively. We prioritize the development of human capital and highly value knowledge sharing. We adhere to the principles of green and low-carbon development. Strive for ongoing improvements in corporate governance and practice corporate social responsibility. In April 2021, Lingyi iTECH released its first ESG report and was rated as China's top ESG 500. The MSCI ESG rating raised by 4 levels in 2 years. CNI ESG and Quant Data granted the rating of AAA and AA respectively. Adhere to the long-termism. Believe in value symbiosis. Accumulate boundless energy. Burst infinite possibilities. Lingyi iTECH. meeting the times and evolving the future. Smart manufacturing benefits the world. Hard working realizes the dreams.